Hello everyone, I'm Tarun Gaur from Data Science Department. Yeah, I'm explaining about the big data, dataism, and measurement from the content of big data and analytics. Let's start our presentation. Big data, dataism, and measurement. Generally, we know what is data, the collection of information, which is in the long format, is known as big data. Introduction to big data. Big data refers to the vast volume of structured and unstructured data generated daily worldwide. It involves the collection, storage, and analysis of data at a massive scale. Yeah, it is a big data means it is a collection of store collection and storage and analysis of the data. It includes structured and unstructured data. Understanding big data is essential for making informed decisions in various industries. Yeah, we have the pie chart diagram. Like big data consists of volume, velocity, veracity, variety, which includes scale of data, different forms of data, analysis of data, uncertainty of data. Coming to the characteristics of big data, the three V's define big data: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume pertains to the amount of data generated. Velocity relates to the speed of data processing and analysis. Here we have the updated 5 V's of big data: volume, velocity, value, veracity, and variety. Each characteristic contain their individualities. Sources of big data. Big data originates from social media, sensors, transactions, and many more. The sources provide real-time and historical data streams. The diversity of source presents both opportunities and challenges for analysis. Here are the some sources like media as a big data source, cloud as a big data source, web, IoT, and databases as a big data source. These are the sources for the big data for the further analysis, data analysis, and data science processes. Technologies supporting big data. Technologies like Hadoop and Spark, large scale data processing. Cloud computing offers scalable top computing resources. Some advanced algorithms enable extract from complex data sets. Yeah, here are the popular big data technologies that includes Apache Hadoop, Apache Hive, Apache Flum, MongoDB, Elasticsearch, Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, Apache Cassandra. These are the technologies which are very much support to the big data for their analysis. Big data analytics. Analytics involves examining data to uncover patterns and trends. Yeah, this analytics useful for involving the examination of data to uncover the patterns and trends. Techniques includes machine learning, data mining, and predictive modeling. Effective analysis can lead to better business strategies and innovations. Here are the big data analytics includes cost reduction, new products and services, faster, better decision making. The given diagram. Challenges of big data. Data quality and privacy concerns pose significant challenges. Managing and processing large datasets require substantial infrastructure. Ensuring data security is critical to prevent breaches and misuse. Our top big data challenges are budget requirement, new data center workloads, data quality assurance, performance of data, the storage bulk, mastering analytics. Introduction to Dataism. Dataism is a philosophical movement emphasizing the importance of data in decision making. It, it suggests that data can reveal truths beyond human perception. Dataism influences how societies and organizations prioritize data driven approaches. Yeah. Steve Law said that dataism is a revolution transforming decision making, consumer behavior, and almost everything else. Principles of Dataism. Dataism advocates of transparency and openness in data sharing, promotes the idea that data can be more reliable than human intuition. The movement encourages reliance on algorithms for understanding complex systems. Dataism in society. Dataism impacts social media, politics, healthcare, and finance. It shifts power towards those who control data access and analysis. Critics argue it may reduce human agency and promote surveillance. Ethical consideration of dataism. Let us discuss some ethical issues or considerations in dataism or data science. Ethical issues include privacy, consent, and data ownership. Balancing innovation with individual rights is a persistent challenge. Developing fair and transparent data practices is crucial for societal trust. Yeah, developing fair and transparent data practices is crucial for social trust. Some of the issues in the data science are privacy, bias and discrimination, transparency and explainability, ownership and control, social and societal impact, predictive policing, and bias and privacy. These are the ethical considerations or issues. Measurement in big data context. Measurement involves quantifying aspects of data to derive meaningful insights. Accurate measurement is vital for reliable analysis and decision making. It encompasses metrics, indicators, and data quality standards. Yeah. Align big data initiatives with strategy using KPIs. These are the some blueprint of measurement of big data by using big data training teams and strategy maps, big data data sets, collection analysis and reporting is one of the flow graph of measurement. Quantitative versus qualitative measurement. Quantitative measurement uses numerical data for analysis. Qualitative measurement captures descriptive non-numerical information. As we know, this quantitative and qualitative, like quantitative means it is on the numerical form, sorry, quantitative, and qualitative means it is in the descriptive form. Both types complement each other in comprehensive data analysis. Metrics and indicators. Metrics are specific measurement used to assess performance or trends. Indicators have summarized metrics used to evaluate progress toward goals. Selecting appropriate metrics is essential for meaningful measurement. Data variability and inconsistency can hinder accurate measurement. Over reliance on quantitative data may overlook contextual nuances. Ensuring measurement validity and reliability is an ongoing concern. These are some challenges like defining X efficiency, lack of standardized metrics, difficulty in quantifying intangible factors, inaccurate of insufficient data, comparing X efficiency across industries, lack of continuous monitoring. The role of measurement in dataism. Measurement underpins dataism by providing the data needed for analysis. It enables the translation of complex phenomena into quantifiable data. Rel- Reliable measurement fosters trust and validity in data-driven insights. The impact of big data on decision making and dataism. Both emphasizes data as the primary source for informed decisions. They promote the real-time decision making based on continuous data streams. This shift can improve accuracy but also introduce new risks and dependencies. These are the some impact of big data on decision making: enhanced accuracy, personalization, real-time decision making, supply chain optimization, government and public policies, healthcare advancements, etc. Future trends in big data, dataism, and measurement. Advances in AI and ML will enhance data analysis capabilities. Ethical frameworks will become more integrated into data practices. Measurement techniques will evolve to better capture complex and dynamic systems. In the future trends, there are many applications like the rise of ML, that is machine learning, the need of better security, extended adoption of predictive analysis, more cloud adoption, more data sources, etc. Critical perspectives. Critics warns that over-dependence on data may diminish human judgment. This is very useful point. Uh, like over-dependence on data will lead to diminish human judgment. Privacy and security risk increase with data proliferation. Ethical and social implications require ongoing discussions and regulations. Conclusion. Big data, dataism, and measurement are interconnected, shaping modern society. They offer opportunity for innovation but demand careful ethical considerations. Ongoing advancements will continue to transform how we understand and utilize data. It is the diagram of predictive and descriptive analysis of the data, like in the form of information to insights, insights to decision, decision to action. It is the way of analyzing the big data and dataism processes. And that's it. This is my uh, information for data, big data, dataism, and measurement for the big data analytics. I hope the presentation will gives you the information. Thank you.